Hello, everybody. We're back again. I do have an update for you on the alleged Vestis plant that is going to be shutting down. I have been informed by my contacts within Vestis, and as I inquire and ask and whittle it around and hear what people are saying, I have found that we've got it down to about 3 states. It's going to be Georgia, Alabama, or Mississippi. One of those 3, if you're in one of those 3 states and you work at a Vestis plant, there is a potential that you could be shutting down, according to insiders that actually work on the inside of Vestis. So I want to discuss something that I got an email today, and if you're this person, then I will not reveal your name, so don't worry about that. I never reveal names. But they said, why do I bash Vestis on my videos? And I don't think that I bash. I think I merely inform people of what's going on in the industry. There's a lot of this news, a lot of this negative press, and let's call it what it is. It is negative press for Vestis. But just because it's negative press doesn't mean that people don't need to hear about it. I mean, this is just the same as if somebody's putting a review on Google or on Yelp, letting people know what's going on. And so, and if there's a lot of customer suffering, like I know there is in Vestis, because I get the calls. They're calling me, hey, how can you help me? I need to get out of my contract. I didn't get service yesterday, and I don't know where they're at. They're not answering my phone calls. Well, somebody reports on that, then that's just the market taking care of itself. And it's the old adage, right? If you don't take care of your customers, then somebody else will. And so, again, I'm not bashing. I love the industry. I wish that it were better. I'm rooting for Vestis. I hope they get things together. So anyways, but if you guys want to talk, remember, I never reveal anybody's names. And don't forget to like and subscribe to finally get the update on actually where the plant closure is going to happen, because I'm getting very, very close to pinpointing exactly which one it is. All right. Talk to you guys later. We'll see you on the next video.